Hi, I'm Jarrett from Stone Soup Farm, and this is how to grow vegetables in rows. Growing vegetables in rows has a couple of advantages. One is that you can control the spacing relatively easily because you can mark it out and you can see pretty clearly that the spacing is correctly. And the other advantage is for weeding purposes. Quickly take out weeds that are not within that row, leaving only the plants that are in that row to make sure that you're not killing all the things that you planted. To plant in rows, the best thing to do is to form sort of a raised bed system like we have here. You want to pull up the sides and make sure that your bed has plenty of tilth and fluff. Make sure it's nice and smooth so that you can clearly see what you're working with. If you have one of these common garden seeders, these are really helpful for planting in rows because they very quickly run over the soil. They put the plants down within the row at just the right spacing and very quickly and accurately. If you don't have one of these garden seeders, then you could use some sort of tool just to mark out a row and then come through after with your seed and sprinkle it in. If you're planting larger plants, larger fruiting plants like zucchini or tomato or something like that, then you could just mark out the row and then come through after with a garden trowel and measure out spacings for whatever plant you're doing. Different plants have all sorts of different spacings, so check the seed packet to see what the most appropriate spacing is. Once it's in the row, you can put your seeds in there, recover it up with an inch or so of soil, and water them in to make sure that the seeds germinate properly. The other advantage of planting in rows is that you know exactly where to water. It's very efficient. You don't have to water the entire area, and it'll save you time. I'm Jarrett from Stone Soup Farm, and that's how to plant vegetables in rows.